I don't like where that's going. Bist du dir sicher? Okay, I think he's still alive. Oh.
Scheiße.
It's gonna be okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alles gut. Alles gut. Alles gut. It's okay.
I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid.
I don't want to laugh, but
It's already swollen 2 minutes after. I think it's not broken, but I think it's for sure a rupture. Oh my god. 20 minutes later. It's pretty swollen. I just feel like I'm so stupid.
oh my god, your mom will not like that.
Sorry, Mom. But I learned the lesson, and it doesn't help if you tell me how stupid I am. I know.
This is the craziest bridge to do this.
I'm stupid, and now I think I'm even more stupid because, yeah, it was kind of overwhelming there. A lot of people helped us. Long story short, we decided to drive back, and because Eve doesn't have any experience with the motorbike, I drove back.
Yeah.
I don't like hospitals.
How do you like your nurse?
She's very slow,
No.
but she cares a lot, so I like her. Oh man, it's so fucking swollen. You wanna show? Fucking big.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Wait. See. Am I the best nurse or am I the best nurse?
Was a nice surprise.
Das ist gut, wo du bist. Fuck, du gehst doch. Ich geh runter.
Ja, weil du... Ich war so probiert. Aber ja.
Look at the taser.
Look at this cutie.
I'm sweating so much.
Today she's the transport system. Hello. There she is.
After 6 days, we finally decided to go to the hospital. Oof. Oof. This is so exhausting. I just built Nikos some crutches.
Crutches?
I used this to get some trees. Look at this. What do you say? It's pretty good, no?
I'm not sure. I want either this or that one.
It looks not bad. I'm so sorry, tree, but Nico needs you. I don't know if you can see this, but here are like 10,000 of mosquitoes around my head. They're biting me in my ass. See, it's like this judgy little face.
There we go. She got it.
Hey!
No.
Try it.
Awesome. Yeah,
Can you jump over the
we
tree?
need to make it a little bit softer.
Softer?
Yeah, with the
Scarf? But we made it. No?
It's good. You shall not pass! Where better to enjoy an injury than in Koh Phangan.
Yeah, there was places, I guess. Wow.
Honey, you look wild. Okay, let's do some aqua jogging. But slowly. Slowly.
How does it feel?
Really good, actually.
Nice. I'm glad.
Yeah, I can walk.
Wow.
Nice.
How convenient that we have an ocean next to us where you can do some aqua jogging.
Just making some water therapy. Take out the pressure from my foot. And Dave is teaching yoga.
One more breath. Breathe in, and with your exhale, bend your knees, look to the front of the mat. Come forward with straight spine. And exhale, bring your knees to front. What do you think about that? This day, this evening, and tomorrow morning will probably be one of the last times of us seeing a beach, the ocean.
For at least 6 months. What do I think? I tell how I think about it, but I can show you.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna go into the ocean. Celebrate.
And now he's running into the ocean. Imagine him running. His ass. Bye bye. See you in the next video.